Welcome back, guys, and today we are making a simple recipe, ice lollies. Yes, one of my favorites.
That is so right. It's also my favorite too, and it's the perfect recipe to make during a holiday such as the Easter holidays. And that is why we're making it, because it's our Easter holiday and we don't want to keep watching TV and do absolutely nothing. So we're doing this not only for the process, but because it's so easy and fun to do together.
Yep, that's correct, as we all got involved with this.
Do you guys remember what I said in the crumble recipe? I said that doing things like these keeps us occupied and away from the TV. So that's why we do it all the time during our holidays. So watch on as we make this simple, really simple recipe. So simple, I'll illiterate how simple it is. Literally, you can alternate it however you want to in your own choices, in your own
Pizzazz.
Exactly, pizzazz. So we're using strawberries and blueberries, and we are making 2 batches, so 1 sweet and 1 unsweet. Do you guys think this is ice lollies or fruit lollies? Comment down below.
Guys, this is probably the best day to make lollies because the weather was perfect and it was just blue sky and enjoyment everywhere.
That is so true. Summer is coming really close and I'm so excited, but sometimes I get not really scared, but quite hesitant because I have hay fever and it progressively gets worse as the summer season comes up. So I'm not looking forward to summer, but I don't want to stay in winter. So I love summer, but there's like side effects, so yeah.
Also, these lollies are so nice as they contain strawberries and blueberries, one of my favorite fruits. This one does not have any evaporated milk and honey, so this one's going to be the more healthier one, but they're both as healthy anyways.
This one's the unsweetened version for our parents.
Yeah, that's correct.
Ding ding ding! This is a notification alerting you that our presence in this channel will grow more frequent in this Easter holidays. So you'll be seeing more of our beautiful faces like mine in this channel more often. Right, Wisdom?
Yep, and when you said beautiful faces, what about me? And Daniel, and Emmanuel.
I said beautiful faces.
But you specifically mentioned your name only.
Yeah, but I said faces. Get the grammar.
Okay, I get it now.
Okay guys, so we have finished making the ice pops and we placed it in the freezer, and I'm teaching my brother how to dance that we did as a challenge me and my whole family completed. And guys, to be honest, I and my mom did the dance so well, and yet my dad won? Like, what? Anyway, we enjoyed that challenge that day. It was so fun and entertaining, and I decided why not teach it to Daniel. But of course, he has to put a little bit of his own spin to that dance. And I'm like, bro.
Yeah, to be fair, I was kind of hiding from doing this dance, but then now I don't even know why I did. I don't know why I did.
It's the next day and we feel so excited to try this ice pop that we made, and I took it out and placed it on the table with exciting eyes prying on the piece of treasure. Yeah, and we enjoyed it. Like, it was so bomb.
This is so nice. What do you guys rate it?
10, 10, 11, 12,
A 9.
9 out of 10.
It's good. 11.
For me, I say this is a 10, but why did you say 9?
Because personally that taste didn't come out the way I want it to come out, but like, you can still taste it.
But we put evaporated milk. What else do you want? We even put honey as well. What do you want?
It's not, but it's still very good. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it's sunny as well. Wait guys, let me show you. You see that? You see that, guys? The perfect weather to enjoy these popsicles.
I'm gonna go outside.
Iman, come. Let's end the video before you go outside and enjoy the sunshine. Okay guys, let's say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye guys.
Definitely make these popsicles.
Highly recommend.
Comment down below in the comment section if you have watched the entirety of the video and enjoy your day. Bye.